Okay, type in Bluetooth. And then, well, let me do that again. So you go down here, you type in Bluetooth, Bluetooth, and you go up to settings, and this will pop up. And then here, oh my goodness. And then from here is where your devices will pop up. If they don't, click on add Bluetooth or other devices and go from there, and it will search. Go down to your TV. It says remove device, so it's connected already. So that's how you connect your TV up. And then on the other side here, look at my hand, look at my hand, look at my hand, look at my hand. Alright, we have the remote control here. So input. We're going to press input. Sometimes the controller doesn't want to work. You hit menu to get it to be smart. Then you do input, and you want to go to computer. Oh, computer. All right, no signal. Now, next thing you want to do is hold on. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Alright, we're going to stare at my computer desktop ground on the table. We're going to want to go to a website. So I'm pulling up a website. It's loading. And we're going to go to a video website, which is a video website that many people, a lot of guys, go to. And so, because you want a bigger screen to watch stuff on. So, and then you're going to have a bunch of videos, a bunch of streaming videos, and you want to click one, and I'm going to quickly pause it before it starts making noise. Oh my god! Right there. It'll look like that right there. Right on the bottom of the video or the top of the video, it'll be a little streaming tab thing. And you press it. And after you press it, it'll stream to your TV. Alright, have a great day.